electromagnetic screw finder out of scrap, old transformer out of a power supply, an old JST connector, quite old, flick type switch, 3 poles, old bolts, and some screws. Also need a 18650 battery, laptop battery. This one's been recycled out of an old laptop, obviously. So, scrap, recovery. Tic Tac box to put it all in. You don't really need that. Also need a soldering iron. And some soldering flux. Put it all together. First unwrap the coil, the copper coil. Still a bit left on there. You have to wrap the copper around this bolt, leaving some end spare. You can use the lines on the screw to help you, the bolt or screw. Try and get them close together. Make it nice and neat if you can. Doesn't have to be perfect, but the better you can do. Going back over the previous ones I laid down, keep wrapping. Should be enough to go over the whole thing twice. Yep. Maybe 3 times. Give a nice thick coil there. Quite a lot of copper on that little section of transformer. Here's your coil. You need to sharpen the ends with a pair of scissors. Otherwise it'll be quite difficult to solder. Do both sides. Just scrape it on. Just shine it. It's already got a bit of tin on that one. Look at it. Okay, heat up the soldering iron. Some soldering flux. Bit of wet tissue as well to clean the tip, just in case. Make it easier to solder. Put some flux on the end. Ooh, some on me. Nice. Stuff irritates. Iron's just starting to heat up. Right, first part you'll need to solder your switch. Just do it like that, simply. Hold it in place. Not necessary, but helpful. Try and turn it so you can see it better. Good joint. Now you'll need this here. And the final part would just be attaching it to the last pole there. Second one. Very simple construction. You could extend this bit if you like. It's not necessary. Not if you just want to find some screws. That's the soldering done. Coil should now be able to be powered. Give it a clean, gunky flux on there. That won't really help the connection. Okay. Some screws in the carpet where you usually lose screws. See if the coil works. Yep. Very well. Like that. Observe. See? Screws. Oh, get it closer. Screws. Switch. Got them all. One stuck in the carpet. There we go. Works well. Now you should put a resistor on this or some sort of blocking diode ideally. Otherwise eventually the wires will heat up and melt, as it'll turn into an induction current in there and gradually heat this. You can make an induction heater in the same way, but with more circuitry, more transistors and blocking diodes, resistors and such. Electromagnetic screw finder from e-waste. You can put it in there if you like. Till the next scrap video.